Hello my dear friends, so today I will introduce you to an amazing project. The project name is ZKP. This means Zero Knowledge Proof. Before I started the video guys, as always I mentioned that this video is not financial advice and I am not financial advisor. This video is just informational. So let's go to video. So guys, you can ask me for first, what is ZKP? I want to start with answer of this question to my video. ZKP is a zero knowledge proof, is a privacy first blockchain that uses zero knowledge cryptography to verify transactions without exposing your data. You can prove something is true without revealing the information itself. Bitcoin and Ethereum gave us decentralization, but they sacrificed privacy. Every transaction is public, every wallet balance is visible. ZKP delivers what they can't: privacy without sacrificing accountability. Businesses can protect trade secrets, individuals can secure personal data, AI systems can operate on sensitive information all while maintaining public trust and verifiability. ZKP was built in protest against a crypto industry dominated by VC insiders, whale manipulation, and broken promises. Anonymous builders, no founder advantage, no private rounds, just code, math, and proof. The rebellion isn't circle, the network is live. The stage system, why timing matters. ZKP doesn't move in vague promises, it moves it in stages, and every stage tightens supply, increased pressure, and reverse early commitment. The framework, 17 defined phases across 450 days. Each phase systematically reduces the daily token supply. What isn't allocated get burned. Not saved, not redistributed, burned, only burned. So phase 1, we can go to phase 1. Founders phase offered 200 million ZKP tokens per day, divides access and maximum rewards. Phase 2 is now 190 million ZKP for a day. Supply has dropped, the competition has increased. The pattern continues relentlessly until phase 17 brings the tightest supply and maximum pressure. Why this matters? For predictable scarcity with no manipulation. Early participants get more tokens per dollar. Unallocated tokens are destroyed, not hoarded. The cost of waiting is quantifiable. Now you know why waiting shouldn't be in your options. Daily pre-sale actions are live. At ZKP there is no fixed pre-sale price. The price changes based on daily pre-sale action results updated every single day. How it works: 24 hours pre-sale actions running daily at ZKP, website of ZKP, zkp.com, $20 minimum and for per participants per day. Your allocation is determined by proportional contribution per mass, zero favoritism. Fourth phase, no weakness cutting in line, no insider allocations, no whale dominance. So guys, this is the anti-whale pre-sale crypto has been waiting for. Each day's pre-sale action sets the reference price for the entire ecosystem. You're not just buying tokens, you are participating in price discovery for a live operational network. Entry is equal, distribution is fair, the code doesn't lie. So guys, why this matters? For ZKP builds $100 million $100 million in infrastructure before selling a single public token. The Dolphins don't partner with vaporware institution validate operational readiness, and Zkp earned that validation. No roadmap delays, no wiki unlocks crashing your investment. Fair distribution enforced by mathematics, not marketing. So guys, links, website, Telegram, X, Discord, and Instagram accounts I will add to below. You can join these links. And I think that in this video I have informed you to some extent about Zkp. I hope you liked my video. If you liked the video, please click the like button. Also write comment. See you in the next videos. Thank you.